What's up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the curl stretch cream that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be applying the curl stretch cream to my hair and then brushing from the ends to the root, and then I'm going to be twisting my hair right over left. This first twist I did it left over right just to see how it would turn out, but it was just way too chunky, so I had to end up doing it the correct way, which is right over left. Right over left, you get tighter twists. Left over right, you get looser twists. When I get to the bottoms, I go ahead and I brush it out just to make sure that it's not that it's completely detangled. And then I go ahead and I repeat the same process on the rest of my hair, applying the curl stretch cream, brushing from the ends to the root, and twisting my hair right over left. Another thing to keep in mind is when you're doing a twist, try to do them as loose as possible. Not too loose, but definitely not too tight. Because when you're doing the Bantu knots, if the twists are really tight, the Bantu knots are going to be very uncomfortable. Now it's that time to do the Bantu knots. So you're going to be doing the Bantu knots in the same direction that you did the twist, which is right over left. So you're going to be twisting the Bantu knot towards the right, and then you're just going to be wrapping them around in a spiral, tucking them underneath each other. So when you wrap it around, the twist is going to come underneath the previous twist. Wrap it around, the twist is going to come underneath the previous twist until the twist is all wrapped and tucked. I do not use bobby pins, I just secure it with itself. So you just go ahead and you twist in the direction of the twist, and you Bantu knot it in the direction of the twist, which is to the right. And then you're just tucking it in underneath each other. Okay, so this is how the Bantu knots are looking. And then I go ahead and I tie it down and I go to bed. And welcome back to my channel. So it's the next day and my hair has been in Bantu knots probably for 20 hours. Let's just say 20 hours. So I know it should be dry because I didn't even wet it. The only thing I used was the curl stretch cream. So now I'm about to take it down to see the results of this Bantu knot. So when you're taking it down, you're pretty much just unraveling it the opposite direction of where you roll it in. Or if you want to do it just easy, just, you know, just go like this. That works too. And then just, you know, pull it down. I have a total of 17 Bantu knots and this is how they're looking. Okay, before I unravel them, I am going to be putting some pure virgin Belizean coconut oil on my hand. Please, while on vacation. Then I'm just going, oh, it smells so nutty. Just gonna put some. And then I am going to unravel the twist. Take my time, unravel the twist. Okay, so this is the final result of my twisted Bantu knots. If you think they turned out great, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have a lot more great content to come. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for stopping by. You could have chosen any other channel, but you're here and I truly appreciate it. Bye.